Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to episode 7 of modding. I apologize if it isn't episode 7. I'm not sure what number I'm on because, I just made all of these tutorials right now, and now I'm on the last tool, so let's go ahead and add in a shovel into our Minecraft game. Remember that you could always get this download from my description, so if you want this 16 by 16 pixeled green shovel, go ahead and get it from my description. We're going to add this into our Minecraft game. So if you guys ever wanted a digging mod, I'm not sure why you'll want one, but if you guys want a full set of tools into your mod, let's go ahead and do this. It's really simple. Alright, so go into your Eclipse, and right here we have added in our hoe. Now let's go ahead and add in a shovel. So I'm going to press enter, 2 slashes, meaning, side notes, and I'm going to call this shovel. So there we go. And remember that I am going to supply the source in my description, so go into my description and it should have a link to the static final for the shovel. So go there and it should open up as a web page. What we're going to do is just highlight that code. You could highlight that code, right click, and copy that code. It's public static final, and we're just going to paste that inside our public class mod underscore Minecraft area. So this is where all the public static finals are supposed to be. So let's go ahead and paste that within there. So there we go, here's a shovel. So public static final item name Spade, since Spade is called shovel, obviously for many reasons. What we're going to do is just rename this name and call it green. So we want this to be a green spade. Okay, item green spade equals new item spade. Okay, this is a new item, and what we have to do is add in a new unique ID that does not conflict with any other IDs or does not conflict with any of the default Minecraft IDs. So my ID seems to be pretty unique. It doesn't conflict with any of these ones up here, so I'm good. So comma enum tool material. This is the enum tool material for the green spade. I am going to keep it the same material as a gold spade. So if you want it to be a diamond spade, you go ahead and change that to emerald. So yeah, you could change that to dot emerald instead of dot gold. But yeah, I'm going to keep that original. And dot set item name. You can place whatever you like in here. So I'm going to go ahead and place a whole bunch of baloney because it doesn't really matter. It won't really conflict with really anything as long as it has a different name than any of the following tools that you have set up or any of the following things that you have created. So just make sure that the name is just unique and different. Alright, so we have set up the public static final for the green spade. Now we have to set up the public load, and this is what everything is going to load. So let's go ahead and go scroll down where we have placed ourselves a green hoe, and just press enter a few times to leave some room for our new code. And the code is located in my description. Like always, just go into my description, open it up. It's going to be a web page. So what you're going to do is just highlight that code, right click, copy, and then you're going to go back to your Eclipse and just Control V and just paste it right in there. So name Spade. Okay, so you guys should already be familiar to this. Name Spade is the name that you actually named it up here. So item green spade. We're going to rename this name spade to green spade. Okay, so let me just remove that and put green spade. So there we go, green spade dot icon index. We're going to mess with this override right now. But what we're going to do is go here and we're just going to replace all these errors, these name spades to green spades, since I did name it green spade, and just remove all these errors. That's the number one thing to do, just remove all these, and there we go. We have fixed the errors and it should be working. So now what we're going to do is mess with the add name. This is the in-game name of the green spade. So we're going to call it a green shovel. So yeah, let's just keep it original, green shovel, nothing fancy here. So we are done with that. So now let's go here to modloader.add recipe for a new item stack of a green spade. We could craft this more than once. We could, if you craft this once, you could get more than one, like I did over here in the axe. You could get up to 3, you could get up to 64, doesn't really matter. But I'm going to keep it original, I'm going to keep it 1. So new object. So this little star equals block dirt. We don't want it to be a dirt shovel. We want this to be a green gem. So green gem. You could have it item.apple red. So if you want it to be a red apple shovel, you could do that. But right now I'm going to keep it original since I did create this gem and I want tools for this gem. I'm going to call it green gem. So the X, these X right here equal item stick. I am going to go over in the next episode how to mess around with these add recipes. So if you ever create anything useful, I'll show you guys how to mess with these add recipes later or sooner. So yeah. Alright, so now what we're going to do is mess with the override. So let's go ahead and copy and paste our picture into our moddings folder. I'm going to go ahead and minus this and minus everything that I have opened. And there we go. So this picture, of course, the green shovel, let's go ahead and paste that into our modding folder. Okay, I'm going to right click this and copy. Now I'm going to go into my modding folder. I'm going to go in there, and then we're going to be messing with our bins and Eclipse right now. So go into your bins, go here to Minecraft, go here to items, and you should have the full list of items that you have set up right here. What you're going to do is just right click and paste. Since we did copy and paste the image, there we go. So we have our green shovel here, and now let's do this one more time. So backspace, 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 and backspace until you hit the main directory. So bin, configs, all that stuff. Go into your Eclipse folder. I did show you guys how to set up these image paths in my episode 2 of modding, so this shouldn't be new to you guys. So go here to Eclipse, go here to client, go here to bin, go here to items, and just paste that right in. Remember, if you got confused on how to set up these picture paths, just make sure to check out episode 2 of modding, because I did go over it really well there. So yeah, but anyways, there we have it. We have ourselves a green shovel. Now let's go ahead and exit this off, go here to Eclipse, and just rename this right here, this pic.png. I did not call it pic.png, did I? I call it a green shovel.png. So green, let's just rename this to green shovel.png. Okay, so modloader.add override for the GUI of the items picture with our new item, which is the green shovel.png, and it should be able to work. So let's go ahead and press play, because we are officially done. So let's press play, press OK. If I got myself an error, I'll show you how to fix the error, but I didn't get myself an error. I did show you on the previous episode how to fix all these image errors, and if you got an error, go ahead and report that error to my help forum. I will show you exactly what happened, and I'll tell you where you went wrong, and I'll just try to get to you as soon as possible. But here we are. Let's go ahead and craft ourselves a green shovel. What am I talking about? So here's our sticks. Go ahead and place them like a shovel, and place ourselves the green gem on top, and there we go. Now we have ourselves the green shovel, and there we go. We have set this up, and now it will act like a shovel. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Hopefully you guys hopefully this works out for all of us. Hopefully there was no errors, nothing wrong. Wow, I just went over a full set of tools. Thank you guys so much for rating. If you guys enjoy this series, go ahead and leave a like, and I will know that you guys enjoy my series. Thank you guys for all your awesome feedback. I'm going to go ahead and catch you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. See you around.